Hello all, welcome to online learning program of MSBTE Learning at your doorstep. I am Professor Deepak Kulkarni, Head of Electronics and Telecommunication Department from KVM Polytechnic Mumbai. Welcome you all to the presentation on Digital Factory, in which we will focus on Internet of Things. After completion of this presentation, the learners would be able to understand the IoT evolution from I 1.0 to I 4.0 and the impact of it on the industry. In this presentation, we will focus on Introduction to Industrial Evolution, the phases of industrial evolution, evolution from I 1.0 to I 4.0, and the impact of evolution. Now let's see the concept map. As we can see in the concept map, the industrial evolution started from 18th century till today, which lead to the improvisations in industry sectors and also caused digitization and automation. So as we can see in this slide, after every few years, there was a change in the industry, the way it would behave and how it related to the new and advanced machines. Now let us understand what is basically the term evolution. Professor Klaus Schwab, founder and executive chairman of World Economic Forum and author of Fourth Industrial Evolution, described the industrial evolution as the appearance of new technologies and novel ways of perceiving the world which triggered a profound change in economic and social structures. This statement actually provided the basic aim of making the different industrial evolutions. Now let us see the different phases in industrial evolution. Industry is a part of any country's economy. Since the evolution of industrialization, industry experienced the paradigm shifts due to technological changes and innovations. These shifts are known as industrial evolutions. The first was from 1760 to 1840, which guided in mechanical production, railways and steam engine, which was said to be the first industrial revolution. The second was from 1870 to 1940, which led to the mass production of elements and products. Electricity and assembly line was also found in this era. The third is 1960 to 2010. Computers, semiconductors, mainframe computing, personal devices, internet were the main components that were evolved in the third evolution. And today's economy is about to face the fourth industrial revolution, which is triggered by social, economic, technological and political changes. At this level, students can attempt MCQ Set 1 given informative assessment. Now let us see the different industry revolutions starting from I 1.0 or also called as Industry 1.0. It began in 18th century. The late 18th century in 1784 introduced mechanical production facilities to the world. It made a change in agrarian society to greater industrialization. Water and steam powered machines were developed to help workers in mass production of goods. The first weaving loom was also introduced in 1784. With the increase in production efficiency and small scale, small business grew from serving a limited number of customers to large organizations with owners, managers and employees serving a large number. Industry I.0 is also deemed as the beginning of industry culture, which was focused equally on quality, efficiency and scale. It was also called as the age of mechanical production. Now let us see I 2.0. The beginning of 20th century marked the start of second industrial revolution, Industry I 2.0, which was also known as technological evolution, was between the period 1870 and 1914. The main contribution of this revolution was the development of machines that was running on electrical energy. Electrical energy was being used as a primary source of power. Electrical machines were more efficient to operate and maintain in terms of cost and effort compared to the water and steam-based machines, which were comparatively inefficient and required large amount of resources. This evolution also saw a industry culture introduced in Industry 1.0 into management program to enhance the efficiency of manufacturing facilities, production management techniques such as division of labor, just-in-time manufacturing and lean manufacturing principles were implemented that lead to the improvement in quality and output. The next is I 3.0 or Industry 3.0. The I 3.0 began in the 70s of 20th century through partial automation using memory programmable controllers and computers. That is, I 3.0 was brought about by the advances in electronics industries. The invention of manufacturing of variety of electronic devices including transistor and integrated circuits automated the machine substantially, that reduced effort, increased speed and greater accuracy, even complete replacement of humans. Hence, I 3.0 was called as the digital revolution due to the development of computers and IT. PLC was the first built in 1960, which was one of the landmark inventions that signified automation using electronics. The integration of electronics hardware into manufacturing system also created a requirement of software system to enable these electronic devices, fueling the software development market. The entire industry was automated using electronics and IT. The automation processes and software systems has continuously evolved with the advances in electronics and IT industry since then. Now let us see I 4.0 or Industry 4.0. As we can see, there are a number of factors critical for I 4.0, including lack of skilled worker, aging society, resource efficient and clean urban production, mass customization, increasing product variability, shorter product life cycle, dynamic value chain, volatile markets, and cost reduction pressure. All these factors required specialized management to cope up. Furthermore, cost customization and cost reduction was not supposed to work in parallel, as customization causes additional cost. Product life cycle was also shortened due to changing trends, and now companies need to focus on short-term innovation. So the central idea of I 4.0 was to implement CPS, that is Cyber Physical Systems, for production, that is embedded actuators and sensors, networks of microcomputers, the machines to the value chain. It further considers the digital enhancement and re-engineering of products. So I 4.0 made about a complete re-engineering in the production field and also brought about the various digital enhancements. Now let us see the impact of the evolutions on various sectors. It impacted various sectors like, first was economy, in which it focuses on growth, aging, productivity, employment, labor, substitution, and the nature of work. The second sector was business. It is more related to customer expectation, data enhanced products, collaborative innovation, and creation of new operating models. It also impacted on national and global governments, countries, regions, and cities, international security. It focused on society's inequality and different communities, and also on individual identity, morality, ethics, and human connection. So these were the impacts of the different evolutions that took place after every certain years on all the sectors. At this level, students can attempt MCQ Set 2. So at the end of the presentation, the learners would have understood the Industrial Revolution I 1.0 to I 4.0 and how it has brought changes in industry and impacted various industries, economy, society, and individual. Thank you and have a smart learning.